Hello there, my name's Jane and I'm your new online English teacher. Today I want to teach you a new English expression, bird brain. I know this is a duck, which is the only toy bird that I have, but it's a type of bird. It's good enough. Bird brain. I'm sitting behind my bedroom window and outside I can hear some birds singing tweet 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 tweet. Okay, so we all know a bird is a type of animal that grows wings and can fly. And we use the expression bird brain to describe somebody who is silly or stupid, as logically birds have much smaller brains than a normal person. For example, like most English people, I like drinking tea, only with a little milk though, and sugar. But sometimes when my mum makes the tea, she puts too much milk in it and I say to her, "You're such a bird brain, you're a bird brain." So, if you like my video, why not look me up on Skype? My Skype ID is WizEnglish. Send me a message or give me a call when we can have a free trial lesson for 20 minutes. And we can talk about your animals, or your pets if you have any, or you could even learn some attractive animal idioms, which I'd be very pleased to teach you. Or if you want as well, we can learn anything you want, vocabulary, grammar. We can have a conversation of your choice. So thank you for watching, have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.